a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses asking about a scar, and I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.
Spreading out to the sea, I like the tropical moon and the lazy palm trees. I like to listen to my heart. There's no place I'd rather be. I like the people, I like the way they smile. I like the feeling of you on this paradise isle. I like the blue island gecko. Man, this is where I wanna be. Singing in the night, I like to do the dance they do to the Moloka'i slide. When the sun comes up shining, always more better the kind. I like the hula, I think it's really good. Oh man, I don't understand the words, but in time I think I could if I just had the time. Oh, if I just had the time. Come along, we'll have a luau by the sea. We'll cook a little pig and all the coconuts are free. And what you see is what you get, it's just a little grass shack. I know you're gonna like it, and I hope you come back. I like the fishes swimming around in the sea. I like to hop them on the grill.